Hey guys, welcome back to TiannaBlancoo channel. So we all want that natural looking flawless wig, right? So stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into it. Yes, this is my real hair. Do not ask, why do you wear wigs if you have, long hair? Because without these wigs, I probably won't have this long, healthy hair. Okay, so to start off with this wig application, I'm going to place my hair into a low bun. However, I did use some bobby pins to pin it down to make it more flat. And then you want to place on a wig cap, stocking cap that's closer to your skin tone. However, this one was the one that was closest to me, okay? That's not the one that I would normally go for. So once your wig is placed on, you want to tighten it up in the back with your straps. Make sure everything is in place before putting on any adhesive. So I'm using bowl hold, and I'm using the end of a makeup brush to apply it. Now you know when it's dry when it turns clear. There's no more white residue. It turned clear. So now you can place your lace on top of that adhesive. Now in order to have that great meltdown, that Instagram hairstylist meltdown, you want to massage that lace into the adhesive. Massage it with your hands, with the comb, but just make sure it is blended in well. And then I went ahead and I flat ironed this wig out. I wanted it to look like a natural hair, like my natural hair, I should say. That's the look I was going for. Like, this texture is so perfect if you're looking for that natural African American texture, because usually we do like the Brazilian or body wave. This texture is very coarse and kinky, and it's very soft and thick as hell. It's thick as hell, okay? Now, someone like myself who already have natural thick hair and long hair, I would not go for this texture because it's like doing my own hair, and I hate doing my own hair. So this was for video purposes. I'm going to continue to flat iron the wig. I don't want it bone straight. I do want it to be straight, but to look exactly how it looks right now. That flawless, that wash and set doobie. That's the look I was going for. Now, I need y'all to help me do a big favor. I need a big favor. Help me find my lace. I can't find it. I can't find it, honey. Help me find the lace. I'm telling you, it is nothing to it. You just have to practice and practice and practice to achieve that flawless install. But that's it. Help me find the lace, honey. Help me. So, you see how peanut butter is to jelly? That is how a wig is to a hot comb. They need each other. They go hand in hand. It's only right that if you have a wig, you must have a hot comb. Now, they have them on Amazon. They have them at the beauty supply store. So, there is no excuse to why your wig is lumpy. Then I'm just taking some foundation powder and bada boom, bada bam, I am cleaning up that scalp so I can be Scalpiana, Tatiana, if you understand what I'm saying. So yes, that is all. As you can see, this wig is laid and slayed, bitch. Yes, work, work, work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.